Welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the February Lumiboxes. I am going to combine today's video and I will open the base and the premium box with you on camera today. So if you want to see what I got, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, first of all, I do have an affiliate code with Lumibox. So if you would like to pick up a Lumibox yourself, you can use the code PureLottie10 and this will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. Now it is an affiliate code, so I do make a small amount of commission on this. So if you do use my code, then I do truly appreciate you supporting me and my channel. So jumping straight in, today I have combined the videos again and we've got the base box on the top and the premium box down below. Now I have already had a quick peek in them because one of the items has come broken. I had to report it to them before filming. And I think this is probably my first video going up with my new hair colour. So what do we all think? Do we like it? Do we hate it? Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. So it is meant to be red. Some parts do look a bit pink and down the bottom does still look like that wine sort of red purpley colour because obviously we can't get the teal out of the bottom of my hair. So yeah, that's mixed, got the teal and the red combined. So jumping into this month's base box. Now we haven't got the Lumiboxes again. I'm not sure if they've run out of stock. We are having a lot of stock issues here in Australia, or if they have swapped to these boxes, but it is still a really pretty pink box, so I'm happy with that. Inside you do get your description of everything and you do also get your thank you card with all the socials on it. So I will pop them to the side. Now if you see me looking down at all, it is just because I am looking at the sheet to read all the details for you. And if I do try anything on prior to posting today's video, I will make sure to add in a little clip of me using it and give you my first impressions on it. So jumping in, I do have some little tissue paper stuff in there to stop it from moving around. So this month's theme is Roses Are Red, which is a really good theme. Obviously it is Valentine's month, so that's a nice theme to have. So first thing that we've got in here is from Vita Ollie and it is their Self Harmony Roller. So this retails for $24.95 and it is available from vitaollie.com.au. So it's this a little rollerball essential oil basically. And on here it says it is basically coconut oil and lavender. And it says that it's made in Australia and it promotes tranquility while bringing harmony to the mind and body. So that sounds quite nice. So I don't know if I would actually pay $24.95 for an essential oil. You can get some cheaper ones or make your own for blends. So yeah, I don't know if I would actually spend that much on it, but it's always good to get these. Now this is just a little 5ml bottle and it does have the roller top on the top there. The second product that I got in here is from Burmese Dream and it is a lip scrub. So this retails for $16 Australian and is available from burmesedream.com.au. So it just looks like this and it is a watermelon scented. So it doesn't say what size it actually is, but most lip scrubs come in like a tub that's sort of similar sizing to this one. It does say that it is cruelty free, certified vegan, and it is valid for 6 months after opening. I'm excited to try this out because I've just had to declutter my old ones because they had gone bad now. So I'm excited to give this one a shot and I don't mind watermelon scented and flavored items. Ooh, this one smells like real watermelon. Ooh, it smells really nice. So the next product in the base box is from Rachel Kosher and it is a Sass lip gloss. So this retails for $24.95 and is available from, this says Bella Pierre, but I don't think that's correct. Yeah, no, this should be available from rachelkosher.com. It's got the website on the back here. I don't think you can get it from Bella Pierre, but I will have a look and I'll let you know on the screen if you can. But this is the packaging. It is actually a really, really stunning packaging. And it's in the shade Sass. And it basically says that it is a lip gloss with rose extract. Ooh, now this is stunning. Look at this lid here. It's got roses all over it. That is so pretty, and it looks like a metallic sort of lip gloss. Now, I have just done a massive declutter. I'm not sure if it's up yet, but I'm going to pop this in a future giveaway because I realized I'm keeping every single lip product and my drawer was overflowing, so I don't want to reclutter it up. So I'm going to pop this in a future giveaway for you guys, but it looks super nice, but I won't swatch it because I do want to pop it in a giveaway for you. The fourth product in the base box is from Mary Grace, and it is the Repair Rose Water Mist, which retails for $45 Australian and is available from marygrace.com.au. Now, we actually already got one of these, I think it was in last month's box or the month prior, and the mother-in-law likes it, but she's not like the biggest fan of it. She has other ones that she prefers a lot more. So I'm going to pop this one in a future giveaway as well. It is in a really nice packaging. It is like almost glass. I just don't use it myself, so I think it would be a nice item for you guys. And the lucky last product in the base box is from Stardust Cosmetics, and it is an Interstellar Dust Multifaceted Blush, which retails for $32.50 and is available from stardustcosmetics.com.au. So it looks like this. Now, this was our choice product for the month, so I did choose the shade. I can't even tell you what the shade name was. Yeah, I'm not sure what the actual shade name is. It doesn't say it anywhere on here, but it looks sort of like a peachy sort of colour. I'm not sure if you're able to see it on the side there. It looks really pretty. I might insert a swatch for you on the screen, because what I did was I actually chose this one for you guys for a future giveaway. I just don't like loose blushes, highlighters, things like that. They're so messy, so I'm not going to keep this. I know I will love it, but I know I won't pick it up after I use it that once because it is going to be a messy product. So I'd rather gift it on to you guys. So I did choose a color that is, you know, more universal for you. But yeah, I'm excited for you guys to give this a try. So I paid $49 Australian for the base box, and today's value came in at $143.40. So amazing value for money. Unfortunately, the only thing I really want to keep from this is just the watermelon lip scrub, and that's just because I need to replenish my ones that I've just thrown out. The oil is okay, but I do react to coconut oil sometimes, so I'll probably give this on to like my mother-in-law or someone. And the other three items I'm going to be popping in a giveaway for you guys. So let's jump into the premium box. Okay, so jumping into the premium box, the first product that we have here is from Lemon & Beaker, and it is a brightening cream with rose essential oil. So this is retailing for $63 Australian and is available from lemonandbeaker.com. So it comes in really pretty packaging like this. Now, we have had Lemon & Beaker in our Lumiboxes previously, but this is a new product that we have got in here from them. So it basically says to use it every morning and night. Apply gently over the face and neck after using Lemon & Beaker Hydrating Toner. So the packaging is absolutely stunning. It is like a frosted glass container with a nice gold lid. Super pretty. Let me see. Well, it smells kind of nice actually. It's not got like a really strong scent. It does smell quite good. The expiry is October 2023, so we've got plenty of time to use it and try it out. I'm not going to keep this product. I don't keep any of the skincare in here. I do pass that on to friends and family just because I react to a lot of it, so I don't try anything without my doctor's approval. So yeah, I'm going to pass this on to a friend or family member who I know will love it, and if nobody wants it, then I will pop it in a future giveaway for you guys. The next product that we got in here is an Ofra product, which is super exciting. I do love Ofra, and it is the pressed banana powder, and it retails for $49 Australian and is available from ofracosmetics.com. So it comes in packaging like this, And if I open it up, this is what they look like. And then inside, this is what it looks like. So it does come with a mirror, and it is a yellow pressed powder. Now, I'm actually going to pop this in a future giveaway, and the reasoning for this is I have tried multiple banana powders from almost every company out there, and they do show yellow on me because I am so Casper white. So there is no point in me trying to use this when it is most likely going to show yellow on me as well. So I'll pop it in a future giveaway for you guys, but this is a super exciting product. I love that we have got an Ofra product in here. So the next product here is from Moody, and it is a BU body spritzer. So it is retailing for $14.95 and is available from moody.com.au. Now Moody is M-O-O-D-I, and it came in this little packaging wrapper. And then this is the actual bottle, and it's like a aluminium sort of hairspray type bottle with just a spritzer up the top there. It is all taped up to show that it is brand new. But this has confused me. It says that it is a chill body spritzer. It says that you can spray a spritz or 3 onto your skin, clothes or hair. But that is literally all the information that we've got on this. So is it meant to be like a perfume? What is it meant to do? Like, I'm so confused about this product. I'm not a huge like perfume person or body spritzer person. A lot of scents do not agree with me and can set off my asthma. So I will probably pass this on to maybe like my mother-in-law. She's really into perfume. So I might pass this on to her, but this product has definitely confused me. I wish we had have got more information on this one because yeah, there's nothing here on the bottle that's different, and literally the only thing that we've got is on here. So that's my only complaint about that product. So yeah, the next product we also got in the base box, but this one is a different color, and it is one of the Stardust Cosmetics Interstellar Dust Multifaceted Blush. I apologize for saying that wrong. So retails for $32.50 and is available from stardustcosmetics.com. So again, this is a loose blush, exactly the same as the other one except a different shade. So I think this one is a bit more pinky. Again, I'll see if I can put the swatches up on the screen for you guys, but I'm going to pass it on to you guys in a future giveaway. As I said, I'm sure it's absolutely stunning, and I will use it once, but then I will not reach for it because it is a messy product. I just know myself, and I can't clutter up my drawers again when I've just done a huge declutter. So yeah, I'm going to pass this on to you guys. So the next product in here is from Bella Pierre, and it is a Super Gloss Very Berry Lip Gloss. So this retails for $24.95 and is available from bellapierre.com.au. And it just comes in a cardboard box like this. And then inside, this is what the product looks like. Now this one actually really excites me, so I'm going to keep this one and swatch it. Let's have a smell. Oh, it does smell berry. It does smell nice, but let's give it a swatch. I probably should have shaken it up first because it's probably been laying on its side for a long time. Ooh, that's a really pretty colour. I really like that. So it's like reddy pink colour, and then it's got like specks of glitter throughout it, and it is a gloss. It smells quite nice as well, so I'm excited to give this one a shot. And the lucky last product for the premium box I am absolutely devastated about because it has come shattered. So it is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is a 35 colour eyeshadow palette. Now this was our choice product. So we did have two choices. So I did choose this Colour Story for you guys because I thought it'd be a really nice palette that I could put in a future giveaway. The other palette didn't sort of interest me, but this one did. So this is what the front of the palette looks like, and it is the Ultimate Nude palette. And honestly, it looks absolutely stunning, and I'm devastated that I don't have it now. But the mirror here has come absolutely shattered, and because I'm having to hover over the box here, because the mirror is shattered, there is a plastic cover in here, but there is a little slithers of glass all the way through this. So I'm not sure if you're able to see it all on here. And because it's for your eyes, I'm not willing to risk putting that near my eyes. So I have let them know, and they offered to send me a replacement in my next box or a $20 refund. Now I have opted for a $20 refund. And the reason for that is because this month is actually going to be my last month getting a Lumibox for a little bit. I have put it on a pause for now. My mother-in-law has brought a different box and I will be reviewing it. So I just wanted to pop it on hold. I haven't been too happy with the last few boxes. And I think it's time to try something a bit different. So yeah, I opted for a $20 refund instead, rather than having to wait until when I resume my Lumiboxes again, because I don't know when that's going to be. It could be in a month, could be 2-3 months, I don't know. So yeah. Now let's jump into the price of today's premium box. Now I think I forgot to mention the price of the palette. It is retailing for $79.99 and is available from bellapierre.com.au. Now I don't know if I would ever actually pay that much for the palette. I've had a few Bella Pierre products, eyeshadows as well. They're good, but they're not the most fantastic quality out there, so I don't know if I would pay that much. So this month's premium box came to $264.30 and I only paid 99 Australian dollars for it. So again, good value for money, but again, it's not super exciting. It has disappointed me again for another month. So the only thing that I think I'm going to be keeping out of this one is just the gloss, and the rest I will be getting rid of. Obviously the palette I can't keep, so that's going to have to go in the bin. But the other 4 products I will be either popping in a giveaway or passing to friends or family. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And don't forget, if you want to pick up a Lumibox yourself, I do have an affiliate code with them. The code is PureLottie10 and it will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe as well. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!